Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hasna Hanifah. I'm student from Aisyah University. I would like to say thank you for watching to my video presentation. I'm here today is present about strategies for the reading part 1 to 3 in TOEFL. This talk is divided into three main parts. My presentation talk lasts about 20 minutes. As you can see here, I will explain from the first skill. Okay, let's now move to in the slide that explains skill 1. Skill 1, main idea question. Okay, for the skill 1, we have to recognize question in reading. This is question in skill 1. Number 1, what's the topic of the passage? What's the subject of the passage? What's the main idea of the passage? Next, what's the author's main point the passage? With what's the author primarily concerned? And last, which of the following would be the best title? This is a question related to main idea question. Okay, how to answer the question? Next, this the strategies for answer the question skill 1. Number 1, read the first line of each paragraph. So, general the main idea is at the beginning of the paragraph. Number 2, look for a common theme or idea, the first line. Next, pass your eyes quickly over the rest of the passage to check that you really have found the topic sentence. And let's eliminate any deficiently wrong answer and choose the best answer from the remaining choice. Okay, to make it easier to understand, I will explain about reading question. For instance, example skill 1. The question, what is the main idea of this passage? The answer D, the origin of basketball. Strategies, for example, skill 1, look at the question first and then to read at glance. Why not the answer A, B, or C? Because the life of James Naismith. James Naismith only the inventor of basketball, but not explained further. B, the history of sport. Is too general, so explain about sport. C, physical education and exercise. This is not the answer. The answer D, the origin of basketball, because this is first line is described about basketball. Okay, I now want to go on to skill 2. Okay, skill 2, state detail. Next. As usual, we have to recognize the question in the text. How to identify the question? If there a question, like according to passage, it is state the passage date, the passage indicate date, the author mentioned dates. Which of the following is true? Okay, don't translate word by word. Just search for keywords after finding the answer keywords, then search in the text. Okay, how to answer the question? Number one, choose a keyword in the question. We just choose a keyword in the question. Number two, skim the appropriate part the passage for the keyword for state idea. Number three, read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully, and last, look for the answer that restate an idea in the passage. Okay, let me just sum that up before we move to simple question. So, we only look for keyword from the question and the match in the text. Okay, next example of skill 2. The question, which of the following is mentioned in the passage as a way that Colorado River water gets to the southwest? The answer, number one, D, through canals. Why the answer D? Because the keyword in the question in the second line. In the second line, a system of thousands of miles canals. Okay, let's move on to skill 2. Skill 2, unsteady detail. So, the answer, not the text. In this third skill, we will look for the words that are not in the text. So, if a question appears like most state, which the following is not mentioned, which of the following is not discussed, or all of the following are true accept. Man, it is unstated, meaning it is not in the text. How to answer this question? Okay, the answer is the same as the previous skill. The main thing is not first the keyword. We just look first the keyword. Okay, let me give you an example for skill 3. The question, which of the following is not mentioned about the Florida case? The answer, D, the Florida case. The Florida key are not all inhibit. Because this answer is not in the text. Okay. So to sum the important point of skill 1 to 3, that we only need to carefully look for keywords and then match them with the text. Okay, let me end by saying Alhamdulillah. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.